A new partnership, humans and machines at work. Artificial intelligence is reshaping the world of work. This transformation brings a great deal of excitement. It also brings a great deal of fear. Many people worry that intelligent machines are coming to take their jobs. They picture a future where humans are made redundant by algorithms and robots. The headlines often amplify this anxiety. This narrative, however, is incomplete. The truth is more nuanced and, ultimately, more optimistic. AI is not simply replacing humans. It is creating a new kind of partnership between people and machines. This new partnership will redefine what it means to work. Most jobs will not be fully automated. Instead, they will be augmented. Specific tasks within a job will be handled by AI. This frees humans to focus on more valuable activities. Some AI agents can write code or draft reports. Other AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data. Robots can perform physically demanding or repetitive tasks. In this model, people provide the direction, the judgment, and the empathy. Together, we create a sum greater than its parts. The core of this change is about task allocation, not job elimination. We must stop thinking in binary terms of a job either being done by a human or a machine. Nearly every job is a bundle of different tasks. AI excels at tasks that are routine, data-intensive, and predictable. Humans excel at creativity, critical thinking, interpersonal skills, and emotional intelligence. The future is unbundling jobs and assigning each task to the best-suited agent. This is how we unlock the true potential of this technology. This human-machine collaboration is not far off. It is already happening across many industries. Companies that embrace this model are not just surviving, they are thriving. More efficient, more innovative, and more responsive to customers. Move beyond fear of replacement. Embrace augmentation. The goal is not to race against the machine. The goal is to learn how to run with the machine. This requires a mindset shift and redesigning how we work. Actually it's an important shift. Section 2. Real-world examples of AI collaboration. A major bank faced modernizing legacy software systems. Millions of lines of old code had to be translated. It was estimated to take years. Instead, the bank deployed AI agents. Agents generated first drafts of new code. Human developers took over to validate and refine. They corrected complex sections and improved design. Project time was cut in half. The developer's role wasn't eliminated. It was elevated. In pharma, clinical study reports are critical and time-consuming. Data must be gathered from many sources and presented in precise formats. Today, AI automates much of this workflow. Agents pull data, analyze results, and draft reports in hours. Writers verify accuracy, refine narrative, ensure clarity. Faster generation, fewer errors, quicker approvals. A utility deployed conversational AI for high call volumes. The AI accesses accounts, resolves routine problems, and hands off complex emotional cases to people. Satisfaction rises as costs fall. Section 3. The shifting landscape of jobs and skills. As AI integrates, jobs and skills fundamentally shift. Researchers grouped occupations by AI interaction. Human-centric jobs remain deeply human. Nurses, teachers. Tools assist, but empathy and care lead. Agent-centric roles lean on AI agents. AI handles analysis and document prep. People advise. Robot-centric roles see physical labor shift to machines, while humans supervise, maintain, and handle exceptions. The largest category is hybrid. People, agents, and robots in concert. Example, a salesperson uses an AI agent to find leads and draft emails. Example, a medical assistant augmented by diagnostic AI and robotics. It's a spectrum of collaboration, not replacement. With jobs changing, required skills are changing too. Foundational human skills become more valuable. Communication, critical thinking, creativity, leadership. These let us guide AI and interpret outputs. Writing remains crucial, now often editing AI drafts. New competencies emerge. Most important, AI fluency. The successful integration of AI represents a monumental economic opportunity. Not by simply plugging in a tool, but by redesigning entire workflows for human-machine collaboration. Otherwise, it's a jet engine on a horse-drawn carriage. To truly fly, design the airplane. Connect agents, find leads, personalize outreach, schedule, summarize. The entire cycle accelerates, freeing people to build relationships and close deals. End-to-end redesign creates more value than automating a single task. By 2030, reimagining work could unlock about $2.9 trillion in the US. AI handles hours of work, so humans shift to higher value activities. This is not a forecast of jobs lost, but a productivity dividend. Managed well, it boosts growth, wages, and job quality. But value is not guaranteed. Leaders must act. If we fail to redesign and upskill, gains concentrate among a few. The risk, exacerbate inequality. The opportunity, a more prosperous, equitable economy. The future of work is something we build through today's choices. 3 priorities for every leader. 1. Redesign workflows beyond piecemeal automation. 2. Invest in skills and AI fluency at scale. 3. Measure team effectiveness in human-machine systems.